Hi guys, it is nearly Christmas, so I want to introduce you to the game-changing Christmas breakfast you have to make this year. Now, as an Irish person, I could not have a Christmas breakfast without a full Irish fry. That involves sausages, bacon, a little bit of black pudding, some eggs. But today we're going to do something a little bit different. This is next leveling your full Irish breakfast into something that's a bit portable. If you're going out, if you're having your Christmas Day swim, this is the ideal one to make. It leaves you with the most beautiful soft baps, gorgeous crispy bacon, a beautiful little sausage and black pudding patty, all topped off with a runny fried egg, and you cannot go anywhere without having some nice baked beans. This is your game-changing full Irish breakfast bap that is perfect for a Christmas morning. Now, we're going to start off by getting our bacon into the oven and get it cooked off. Right, while the bacon is cooking off in the oven, we're going to get on with our black pudding and sausage patty. This is very simple to do and it's all store-bought ingredients. So it's black pudding and a little bit of sausage. I'm going to take them out of their casings and we're going to mix them together in a bowl until we have nice little patties, and then it's time to get them fried off in the pan. I'm pretty excited about this combination of black pudding and sausage in one little kind of burger patty that is going to form the basis for this epic breakfast sandwich. These are literally going to take just a couple of minutes either side until we have a nice brown colour on them. Then we're going to get them out and keep them warm in a low oven. Just have a look at that. Really gorgeous, sizzling sausage patties that have all that flavour of black pudding running through. Now, the beauty of this, if you are getting ready for your Christmas Day breakfast, is that you can have these cooked off. Have them cooked off and then they will keep warm in a low oven alongside your bacon, which should be cooked at this point, so we're just going to transfer it onto this. Keep it warm, and while that happens, we're going to butter up our bread baps and we're going to fry off some eggs, warm our beans, and then it's just a case of assembly. Okay, we're nearly there. I've got my beans bubbling away, I've got my fried eggs pretty much cooked, we've got our sausage and bacon out of the oven, and I have my BLAAs beautifully buttered. Go generous on the butter, and if you haven't come across a BLAA before, it's basically a traditional Irish bread bap or roll, and they are the perfect vehicle for this full Irish breakfast bap. If you can't get your hands on these, any light bread roll will do, but you want them to be nice and airy. So, now it is time to build. So we're going to go in with a little bit of ketchup, in with a bit of the sausage, in with the bacon, in with the egg, and finish it off with the beans, and then it is time for a bite. Oh, just look at this. It is messy business, but this is what you get left with. This phenomenal Irish breakfast BLAA sandwich. This is messy business, but somebody's got to do it. Oh. It has all the key components. I mean, this is a winner for Christmas Day. It's your full Irish breakfast BLAA, and if you want all the details, you'll get them in the box below. Over on my website, make sure you hit subscribe to this channel for lots more delicious recipes like this one. I want to wish you a big, happy Christmas. Enjoy whatever you choose to cook this year, and I'll see you soon.